Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go. It is Tuesday, the last day of July, the 31st. We made it. I hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We have another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. This is coming from Chefman. Oh boy. Let's see what they have in store. One open. Two. And the final. Oh, this is cool. This is definitely something useful. And bada boom. We had the perfect pour Volcano. Whoa. This is definitely cool. Check them out. Link is going to be down below. Take advantage of this waffle maker. Heck yeah. Mess free, stress free. That's the way I like it. So let's check them out, YouTubers. And of course, I'll be making some waffles in a second at the end of this unboxing. So if you guys want to see what they look like, stay tuned. No ads in this video. There we go. Got this going. There we go. We are on our way. Open up Belgian shop. Oh yeah. There we go, there we go. What else is it up with? We got the manual. Oh boy. Whoa. Quick start guide. Sweet. Oh yeah. It is breakfast somewhere around this world. Do it early. And here we go. Drop you guys down. Look at that. Ooh. This is my first waffle maker. Definitely excited. There we go. And we untangle. Whoa. Check that out. Bam. We got a deep pour. Oh, look at that. Shoots down the sides. Alright, definitely gonna clean it up a little bit before I pour the waffle mix. And let's see how these turn out. Here's the front. Let's see, max fill, 185 milliliters. They got on and off buttons. They got the lock. So, okay, am I missing something? I don't think so. You gotta pour it down there, right in that hole. There we go, there we go, there we go. I don't know if I skipped something out of this box. Maybe I did, maybe I didn't. Oh yes, I did. Oh, it comes with one of these. You scoop and you pour in here into the hole. Then you lock it. There we go. This is a nice one. Here we go. Here we go. Belgian waffles. Here's a little manual. Bunch of colors. Here we go. Step one. Alright. Am I missing? Nothing else? I think everything's here. I'm just surprised there ain't no filter. Guess you don't need it. Maybe not. There, pour it in there. Goes through, lock, and then boom. Hopefully we can make some waffles like that, eh? Alright, YouTubers. Coming up, I'll be in the kitchen. Alrighty, here we go. We got the waffle mix right there. Got this thing turned on. And now we close it. Make sure it slams. I'm going to pour it into the hole. Twist. Scoop this up in there. In there a second. Here we go. Do it nice and easy. Pour it in. Now when it's done, it's going to turn the green light on. Here we go. Here we go. It's hot. Be careful, it's hot. Oh, you can see it already smoking. You guys can see it a little bit. There it is. Not sure how long the cook is. Maybe a couple minutes. We'll find out. I can smell it. Chefman. Link is going to be down below. Check them out. Nice size for an apartment, condo, or home. And it should be getting close to the end. There's smoke coming out of the side. Hot steam. There we go. Smells pretty good. It's pretty hot down here. Definitely hot on the sides. So you might want to be careful. There it is. Oh, a little steamy. Definitely turning browner. There we go. Should turn the switch green. Should we take a look? Ooh, look at that. Bam. Really cool. Oops. I'll give it another minute maybe. Hopefully that didn't reset it. Almost there. It's about 3 minutes now. There it goes. Oh, it turned blue, not green. Alright, YouTubers, let's take a look. Ooh, look at that. See, I didn't pour enough, but bam. Unplug it. Scoop it up. It's supposed to be easy to clean. No mess. Oh yeah, there we go. Whoa. Oh, there's my version. There you go. You guys get one at a low cost. All you gotta do is click on the link. Check them out. Be safe.